EDSA is set for a major overhaul under the Build Better More program of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Nearly 50 years since its last major repair, the Department of Transportation, or DOTR, is working on a plan to minimize disruptions while upgrading the iconic thoroughfare. Here's a look at what's ahead for EDSA as Bernard Ferrer tells us more.
Complete overhaul. This is what will happen to EDSA as part of the Build Better More program of the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. According to the Department of Transportation, or DOTR Secretary Vince Dizon, it has been nearly 50 years since EDSA last underwent major repairs. Because of this, the agency is carefully studying plans to minimize inconvenience to motorists and commuters during the rehabilitation of the said major thoroughfare.
Dahil sa trabahong patsi-patsi over the last decades, ramdam ng mga kababayan nating dumadaan sa EDSA, yung resulta nun. Baku-bakong daan, hindi pantay-pantay, maraming mga butas-butas sa ibang lugar, and it's not a very comfortable ride.
The Transportation Secretary also assured that the EDSA bus carousel will remain operational to continue serving the public. Currently, consultation with various local government units are ongoing before complete details of the plan are released. For their part, the Department of Public Works and Highways, or DPWH, has laid out potential plans for EDSA with a target completion set before the end of President Marcos Jr.'s term.
Tatanggalin po ang lahat ng konkreto. Titingnan po namin ang base. I-reconcrete po namin yan. I-ice po namin ang base and then asphaltuhin po namin.
Meanwhile, Metropolitan Manila Development Authority, or MMDA Chairman Romando Artes, assured that all options are being carefully studied, including the possible implementation of an odd-even scheme. Additionally, the Mabuhay lanes are being improved as alternative routes for motorists and commuters to ease traffic congestion.
Major artery ito, magsasara tayo ng lane, mababawasan yung capacity ng EDSA. So, pinagpiplanuhan po natin yan, yung alternate routes and all. At ang kabilin-bilinan lamang po ng ating Pangulo ay i-prioritize ang convenience ng ating mga motorista.
The final plan for EDSA's rehabilitation is expected to be released next week, giving the public ample time to prepare. Bernard Ferrer from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.